Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions, which are very useful for all competitive examinations of central government, SSC, and defense as well as paramilitary forces. I'm going to discuss about 94 part. I request you guys to check in the playlist. You will find up to part 93, which are very useful for all competitive exams. Initially, we have the wood is made of primary xylem. We knew that we have the phloem and xylem, where the water is transported, that is known as xylem, and food is transported, that is phloem. But the primary xylem is the main one, what exactly the wood is made of. Next we have berry fruit is found in tomato. We knew that tomato is a vegetable, but it's a one type of berry fruit also, because directly it can be eaten. Spore is a sexual reproductive cells. As you can see, what exactly spores, how exactly they looks like. They are one type of sexual reproductive cells. You can see how these spores gets directly mitosis and meiosis process happens, and you will have the gametes. Next we have the quickly available respiratory substance is glucose. So whatever exactly we have, that is the respiratory substance, the available one is glucose. The kind of plant is an algae. So as we know that every plant has got the chlorophyll, which is inside the chloroplast, that is one type of algae. Ganong's photometer, that is used for the study of photorespiration. This is what exactly the photorespiration is. So Ganong's photometer. The pillar roots of banyan that help in the absorption of water. So please remember what exactly the pillar roots of banyan which help in the absorption of water. The organic compounds that contain nitrogen is protein. So this is what exactly the organic compound which has got the nitrogen in that. Next we have the name given to the Indian national anthem when it was first rendered into English by Tagore. Initially it was called as Morning Song of India. Rabindranath Tagore, it has been composed from the Gitanjali, which was initially composed in Bengali language. Initially it was rendered into English by Rabindranath Tagore as a Morning Song of India. Government of India's official book for special information is called, that is, White Book. So this is what India's official book for the special information. The study of fishes, they are known as pisciculture. We have aviculture, that is study of birds. Apiculture is bees. So we should know exactly what exactly the study of fishes, that is pisciculture. I want you guys to comment me in this section what exactly is the study of ponds. Next we have the blades of a windmill possess, hence they are turned by a fast wind that has got the potential energy in that. So whatever the wind mills are there, it has got the maximum potential energy. Even the water tank stored in that, it has got the potential energy. A dark skinned man experiences, as compared to a fair skinned man, less heat and less cold. So we knew that in this tropical region, the black skinned man has got this type of less heat and cold, he will have maximum. So whoever the white skin, he will be having the problem in more heat as well as more cold for him. Next we have what device is used to break or complete an electronic circuit. We knew that we use switch in that to complete the circuit. So this is what exactly we have to remember. So that completes an electronic circuit, that is switch. Next we have, I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You can even join on Defense ICTA Telegram. As you can see how exactly it has been segregated. Next we have the what is the temperature at which both the Fahrenheit and the centigrade scales have the same value. The same parity you will get at minus 40 degrees centigrade. We know the formula C by 100 is equal to F minus 32 divided by 180. If you put the value of C is equal to minus 40, you will get the value of F as minus 40. You can see we have various scales: Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin scale, Rankine scale and Reaumur scale. You can directly compare that whatever the 0 degree centigrade is equal to 32 Fahrenheit, 273.15 Kelvin. So these are all you have to remember. Please go through whatever the readings we have. Acceleration acts always in the direction of net force. Please remember whatever the acceleration we have, that always acts in the direction of the net force. The study of phenomenon at very low temperature is known as cryogenics. As you can see how exactly this phenomenon, the cryogenics looks like. This is what exactly they will be kept for the duration of maximum period. They are known as cryogenics. What exactly the morphology and crystallography? Study of crystals, that is crystallography. Morphology, that is stones concerning. Next we have the famous scientist and inventor participated in the invention of the aqua lung. This is one thing you have to remember. It is one divertor type. He can go down into the water and he can bear maximum period. That is the invention of aqua lung made by Jacques Cousteau. As you can see here how exactly he had got the medal. He was found this aqua lung. Thomas Alva Edison, electric bulb. Sir Isaac Newton, gravitational force. Leonardo da Vinci was a famous painter of Mona Lisa. You should know all the 4 options also, because you may get the question of any type. Cystitis is the infection of which of the following? As you can see, in the urinary bladder we find this type of cystitis. In the liver, the problem we have liver cirrhosis. Maximum consumption of alcohol leads to liver cirrhosis. Pancreas, you will have the diabetes mellitus, the non-functioning of this pancreas. Lung, we know that acute bronchitis, and there are various things you have to remember which are the problem concerning to the respective organs. I request you guys to call on 7667302252 or message me. You will be given 2100 PDF of GK and GS for all competitive examinations. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.